Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious lemonade drink. To begin, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemons, granulated sugar, and cold water. You will also need a few basic tools, including a sturdy pitcher, a reliable juicer, and a long stirring spoon. Choosing ripe, firm lemons is key for extracting the most juice and achieving that perfect tangy flavor. Let's get started on this refreshing beverage. Next, prepare your lemon juice and simple syrup. First, roll your lemons firmly on a counter to help release their juices, then squeeze them. You will need approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice, which usually comes from about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons. For the simple syrup, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water in a saucepan. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves, then let it cool. Now it's time to combine everything and perfect your lemonade. Carefully pour the cooled simple syrup and the fresh lemon juice into your large pitcher. Then, add 3 cups of cold water to the mixture. Use your stirring spoon to thoroughly combine all the ingredients until they are well integrated. This is the moment to taste your lemonade and adjust it. Add a little more sugar for sweetness or extra lemon juice for more tartness, if desired. Finally, your homemade lemonade is almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, chill the lemonade in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. When ready, pour it over plenty of ice. You can also garnish each glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint for an extra touch. This recipe typically yields about 6 refreshing servings. Any leftover lemonade can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.